Hey friends, Pete Nelson here. You may know me from TreeHouse Masters. Maybe you're following me on Instagram, but I just wanted to check in. It's been a long time, and I want to do something that I think would be fun. Why don't we tour TreeHouse Point? This bed and breakfast that Judy and I started in 2006. It's been featured on the show, but boy, things are quiet around here these days. I hope you're all feeling well, that you're healthy, you're being safe. So important. Let's do this. I want to walk you through TreeHouse Point. It might be a few episodes because I don't want to, bore you here. We might have to make little 1 or 2 minute snippets. So come on in. Here's the sign that I feel with all my heart, wishing everybody good health. So 2006, Judy and I were so lucky to find this place. A bank by the name of Washington Mutual decided they would finance this. This was a funny time when carpenters that didn't make a lot of money could qualify for big loans. I was one of them. This is the bigger property. We have 4 acres that's along a gorgeous river, the Raging River, just outside of Fall City, Washington, 25 miles from Seattle. It's kind of a long story, so I don't know if I want to lay it all out there right now, but it's kind of fun too, because boy, there was drama. We almost lost the place during the whole downturn. Now, 11 years ago already, 12 years ago. So I'll fill you in. I'd love to tour you through all the different tree houses. We have 6. We're actually working on number 7, which is why I'm a little wet. We've been getting this rain. We had this beautiful period of sun, and even though it's this awful time for everyone, we actually had good weather in the Pacific Northwest. So check in every now and then. I'll give you the full tour and the full story. Hope you're feeling well. We are, I can report that. The Nelsons feel so fortunate. And my little grandson, Douglas, I'll show you pictures of him too. In fact, we'll do a tour with him in the future. All right, love you all. Be safe. Thanks.